toy plane hangs from the ceiling at the bottom end of a string. Okay, so there is a toy plane here. Okay, it hangs from a ceiling. Okay, it is how many times to wind up the string clockwise. Okay, so clockwise means like this, slowly at first, then faster and faster. Okay, then the plane spins. Okay, now you are winding up in a clockwise direction, so it will spin in opposite direction, that is anti-clockwise fashion, slowly at first and then faster and faster. Take counter-clockwise as a positive sense. Okay, so this is the positive sense, and friction is negligible. When the string is entirely unwound, the airplane has its maximum rate of rotation. Okay, maximum rate of rotation, that means what? Our velocity is maximum. So maximum omega. Omega maximum is there, right? At this moment, its angular acceleration will be 0. Its angular acceleration will be 0 because angular velocity is maximum. And when you have angular velocity maximum, if you take a derivative with time, it will be come out to be 0.